Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number one. Yes, day number one, week one of spring 2024 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. Let us begin. Today is Monday. Let's add up. Monday, the 8th of January, 2024. Make sure I write down what I have on the screen. Make sure you write it down neatly. Zion, why are you walking up and down?
I don't get my book.
I don't understand. You come to class, you don't think you're gonna write? What you need to do is that when you come to class, have your stuff already prepared, man. You can't just be coming to class and you just looking for book. That don't make no sense.
So
All right, the subject is, let's begin with mathematics. All right, and the topic is, we're gonna be simplifying fractions. All right, is there anyone who have done simplifying fractions before in their math class?
I did.
Okay, Tedronique, anyone else?
I did it.
Jaden? Anyone else have done simplifying fractions?
I did. I did.
Okay. All right then. So for some of you, it will be a review. For others, for others, it will be something new. So if it's new to you, make sure please pay attention. If you're familiar with the topic, still pay attention. You might learn something that you didn't get the first time. So let's begin. We can first answer the question of what is a fraction. So we know a fraction has two components, the numerator and the what? Denominator, right?
Yes.
So a fraction, by definition, is a number used to represent part or parts of something. So if we want to represent a part or parts of something, we use a fraction. So some examples would be, I can say examples of this would be one half of a sandwich. So when I say one half of a sandwich, what does that mean?
The sandwich is sliced in between.
Yeah, the sandwich is sliced exactly in the middle, right? So each of us get what? Equal, right? Equal amounts. Or if I say, 1/4 or 1/4 of, or you can say 1/4 of a pizza, all right? So if I say 1/4 of a pizza, that means that the pizza is divided in how many parts?
4 parts.
4 parts, right? So 1/4 of a pizza. So we have this pizza here. It's divided into how many parts? 4 parts. And 1/4 of a pizza is gonna be what?
A quarter.
Very good. It's gonna be a quarter. It's gonna be this part right here. 1/4. All right. That's what we mean. 1/4 of the pizza. Or if we're doing a half is definitely gonna be split it into two. Is Asia Ingram here? Is Asia Ingram here? For some reason I can't hear from Asia. That's not good. All right, so let's continue. So when we look at a fraction, two components of a fraction would be, like I said, the numerator and the denominator. By the way, please make sure I write this down. Doray, do you have this written down? All right, so moving right along. So it is important to remember that there are two main components of a fraction. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. Joel, where's Gianna? I can't hear you. She isn't here yet? Okay. Joel, for some reason your audio is not working. So the top number is called the numerator, the bottom number is called the denominator. Now, knowing how to simplify fractions need not be a challenge. The first way, we can say one way, this is not the only way, but one way you can simplify fractions is by using a common factor. That both parts of the fraction, that is the denominator and the numerator, can divide into. All right, good. Katrina, can you read the two paragraphs that we have?
Yes, sir. A fraction is
It's supposed to be
number
is a number, sorry. It's a number.
is a number used to represent part or parts of something. Examples of this would be 1/2 of a sandwich or 1/4 of a pizza. It is important to remember that there are two main components of a fraction. The top number is called a numerator and the bottom number is called a denominator. Knowing how to simplify fractions needs to be a challenge. One way you can simplify fractions is by using a common factor that both parts of the fraction, denominator and the numerator, can divide into.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Jaden, can you read the two paragraphs?
A fraction is a number used to represent parts or parts of something. Examples of this would be 1/2 of a sandwich or 1/4 of a pizza. It is important to remember that there are two main components of fractions. The top number is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. Knowing how to simplify fractions needed not be a challenge. One way you can simplify fractions is by a common factor that both parts of the fraction, denominator and the numerator, can be divided into.
All right, thank you. Rashano Russell, turn on the camera for me, please. Again, Rashano Russell, turn on the camera.
Yes, sir. Trying to do it now, sir.
Okay, good. Do you have something to write with? Do you have like a book or something? You can need a book for my class, Rashano. All right, thank you. Zion, read this for me, please. Read the 2 paragraphs.
A fraction is a number used to represent part or parts of something. Examples of this would be 1.5 of a sandwich or 1/4 of a pizza. It is important to remember that there are 2 main components of a fraction. The top number is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. Knowing how to simplify fractions need to be a challenge. One way you can simplify fractions is knowing how to simplify fractions need to be a challenge. One way you can simplify fractions is by using a common factor that both parts of the fraction denominator and the numerator can divide into.
Thank you, Zion. Rashano, why are you late to my class? Didn't I say don't be late to my class? Hello, Rashano, can you hear me? I can't hear you. I can't hear you, Rashano. Check your audio because I can't hear you. Okay, good. All I hear is static. I can't hear you clearly. Amari, can you read these 2 paragraphs?
A fraction is a number used to represent part or parts of something. Examples of this would be 1/2 of a sandwich or 1/4 of a pizza. It is important to remember that there are 2 main components of a fraction. The top number is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. Knowing how to simplify fractions need not be a challenge. One way you can simplify fractions is using a common factor that both parts of the fraction, the denominator and the numerator, can divide into.
All right, thank you, Amari. Rashano, did you get it sorted out?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Like I said, why are you late to my class? I told you not to be late yesterday.
I was trying to get on, but the meeting wasn't working.
Do you know how to do it now? Do you know how to get on now?
So,
Okay.
so,
So tomorrow I expect you to be on time then.
so.
All right. Write this down. Write this information down on the screen. Joel, can you hear me? Joel, I cannot hear you. What you need to do is you need to sign out and join back again. Sign out and join back again because I can't hear you. Asia Ingram, can you hear me? Where's Asia? Asia Ingram, are you there? Okay, yeah, our audio is connecting. All right. Let me see. Yes. I wonder if I can. I don't know if I want to know if you can speak. Can your mic work, Asia? Hello, Asia. Can you hear me? No, I can't hear you, Asia. Asia, I cannot hear you. So I don't know what you need to do to fix that. Ask your mother to help you to fix the audio because I cannot hear you. Ture, can you read the 2 paragraphs, please?
Yes, sir. A fraction is a number to use to present a part
Represent
a part or parts of something. Example of this would be 1/2
one.
of a sandwich,
Go ahead.
1 of a sandwich, or 1/4 of a pizza. It is important to remember that there are two
Main components.
main
Components.
components of a
Fraction.
fraction. Top number is called the
Numerator.
numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. Know how to
Knowing
knowing how to simplify fractions need not be a challenging.
challenge.
One way you can simplify fractions is by using a common factor that both parts of the fractions, the numerator and
Denominator.
the numerator and
No. Listen to me, Ture. Denominator.
the numerator
No. Denominator, not denominator. Denominator. Let's go. Let's go, Ture.
yes sir, and the numerator can divide into.
Thank you. All right, so basically what we're learning here is how to simplify fractions. So what you have is you're gonna have a numerator and a denominator, and you have to find a number that can go into both of them. Ture, mute your mic, please. You're not speaking, right? So why is your mic muted? I mean, mic on. So when we're trying to simplify fractions, we have to find a number that can go into both numbers. Find a number that could go into the numerator, find a number that can go into the denominator. It must be the same number, all right? And then you can divide, and then you can simplify the fraction. Now we know that a fraction is in simplest form when there's no number that can go into it besides 1. So then maybe you should write this down. Write this last piece down. A fraction is in its lowest terms when no number or no whole number can go into it. When no number can go into it. When no whole 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 number can go into be used to divide the numerator? Can be used to divide both the numerator and denominator. Except for one. All right, so this is very important part. A fraction is in its lowest terms, right? We say a fraction is its lowest terms when the only number that we can use to go into both the numerator and the denominator is 1. All right, that's what we call a fraction in its lowest terms. So if you're trying to simplify a fraction, we have to use a number that goes into both of them. Tori, are you writing this down or are you just staring at the screen? Tori Johnson, are you writing this down or are you just staring at the screen? I can't hear you. Tori Johnson, are you there? I wonder if she could hear me. Tori, can you hear me? Can you hear me? So why are you not answering me? All right, good. All right. Asia Ingram, can you hear me now? Where's Asia?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes, perfect. Turn on your camera, Asia. All right.
My camera is not working.
Are you sure or are you lying to me?
I'm not lying.
Okay, I'm gonna ask your mother if your camera is not working. Because I know y'all tricks. Y'all like to say your camera ain't working just to hide. Are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
All right. Rashano, read these 2 paragraphs, please.
A fraction is a number used to represent parts of something. Examples of this would be half of a sandwich or 1/4 of a pizza. It is important to remember there are 2 main components of a fraction. The top number is the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. Knowing how to simplify fractions need not be a challenge. One way you can simplify fractions is by using a common factor that both parts of the fraction, denominator and numerator, can divide into. A fraction is in its lowest terms when no whole number can be used to divide both the numerator and denominator equally, except for 1.
Thank you. All right, so are we done with this slide? Can I move this slide?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Yes,
Pigeon.
sir.
All right.
No, no, sir.
You're still writing Rashano?
Yeah, I finished now.
Zion? Where's Zion?
I'm right here.
Are you
I'm
still
done.
writing? You done?
No, sir.
You're finished writing, Zion?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a screenshot of it inside the chat just so that those who are still writing can still benefit from it. Let's do an actual example. Okay, so Let's look. So if you look inside the chat, you will see for those who are still writing, if you look inside the chat, you will find the notes so that you can still benefit from it. All right, so let's do several examples. So examples. So for this one, we're gonna say the instructions are write each fraction in its lowest terms. So the instructions are to write each fraction in its lowest terms. So let's begin with this fraction, number 1. Let's see. So if we have this one, anyone can answer, by the way. So if we have something like this, we have, let's say we have keep it inside. Let's say we have the fraction 2 over 4. Now, question, is 2 over 4 in its simplest form?
No,
Yes or
sir.
no? Okay. What number can be used to divide that can go into both 2 and 4 without the remainder? What is it? 2.
2.
Very good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna divide what?
2 by 2 and 2 by 4.
Very good. 4 by 2. So let's do that. So we noticed that's very important. So the first thing to remember is that 2 over
Good.
4.
Mr. Batiste, sorry I'm late.
Good afternoon, Diana. So if you notice that 2 over 4 is not in simplest form because we have a number that could go into both 2 and 4. So we're going to use 2 to divide 2 and 4. So Zion, what is 2 divided by 2?
2 divided by 2 is 4.
What?
2 divided by 2?
2 divided by 2. I didn't say 2 multiplied by 2.
Oh. 2 divided by 2 is...
Anyone want to help him?
1.
I was 1.
Divided by 2 is 1.
2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. All right, so that's the first thing. So you divide 2 by 2 and that gives you 1. All right. And then now we have 4 divided by 2. So we're going to divide top and bottom by 2. Asia, where's Asia? Asia Ingram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is 4 divided by 2? If you don't know, just say you don't know.
I don't know.
You don't know? How many times can 4 go into 2? So let's divide it. So we say 2 into 4. Asia, how many times can 2 go into 4? Not you, Jaden. You don't know Asia?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Let me show you how to do it. So we say 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many groups of 2s do you see? I mean, you, Asia.
2.
2 groups of 2s. So if you look carefully, this is 1 group of 2. And this is what?
2 group 2s.
Very good. 2 groups of 2. So how many times can 2 go into 4?
2 times.
Twice. Very good. And what is 2 times 2?
4.
4. So then you subtract. And 4 minus 4 is
0.
0. So the answer, we have 4 divided by 2. And 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. All right. Any questions on how we get a half for this one? Any questions on how we got that? Jaden? Any questions? Zion, any questions? Asia, you understand how we got 1/2?
Yes, sir.
Tetranik, you understand how we got 1/2?
Yes, sir.
Explain how we got 1/2, Tetranik.
We got 1/2 by first we had to first the fraction is 2/4.
Mhm.
And now and it can be simplified. So and you can simplify it into 2. So 2 divided into 2 is 1. And 2 divided into 4 is 2. So that's how you get 1/2.
4 divided by 2 is 2.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, good. Let's do another one. So this will be number 2. So for this one, let's go and we would say let's say that we have 8/24. All right, so we have 8/24. What number can go into both 8 and 24 without leaving a remainder?
3. 3.
3 can go into 8? No, 3 can't go into
I mean
8.
8.
8. 8.
8 and 4.
8. Who said 8 and
Only
4?
8.
Who said 8
It's
and
me.
who's me?
It's Amari.
Amari, very good. 8 and 4 can work. 8 and 4 could work. Because if you use 8 divided by 4, it'll give you what? 2. And 24 divided by 4 is going to be 6. But the best one that we could use, or the highest one that we could use, is going to be what? 8?
8.
Good. Now let's divide 8 by 8 divided by 8 is what?
1.
1. Very good. And 24 divided by 8 is what?
3.
3. It's going to be equal to 8 divided by 8 is
1.
1.
1.
And 24 divided by 8 is
3.
3. Zion, do you understand how we got this?
Yes, sir.
Explain it.
How we got 8, because we divided 8. We divided 8 to 24.
We divided 8 by
8 by 8,
to get what?
1.
And
And
we
we divided 24 by 8 to get 3.
very good. Asia, do you understand how we got 1/3?
No, sir.
All right, so the way how we got it is we have defined a number that can go into 8 and 24. All right. The number that can go into both 8 and 24 is 8. 8 could go into 8. And 8 divided by 8 is 1. And then the number that can go into 24 as well is 8. And 24 divided by 8 is 3. So that's how we got 3 for this one. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. And 24 divided by 8 is 3. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Asia, do you know your timetables?
Only up to 7.
Only up to 7. Why is that? Hello, why is that? You're not going to be able to do math without knowing your timetables, Asia. So you need to learn your timetables. If you don't learn your timetables, then this stuff is going to confuse you. So you need to learn your timetables. You need to memorize your timetables. So tonight after class, listen to me very carefully. Tonight after class, I need you to memorize 8 through 12. So you can know all of your timetables. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
And if you do not do that, then that means you're going to memorize them inside class. Because ain't no way you can do math properly if you don't know your timetables. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's do number 3. In fact, you know what? After this third example, I'm going to let you learn your timetables because I can't have you do this assignment because you don't know your timetables. So the first thing you need to learn is your timetables. If you don't know your timetables, then you're not happening. Number 3, let's do number 3. Let's do a third one. So let's say we have where's Joel and Gianna? Joel and Gianna, are you there? Where are they? Are they still there or are they left?
They left.
They left, okay. All right, so let's use for the third one, this will be our third and final one. Let's use 12 and 15. Okay. Now looking at this, what number can go into 12? Wait, Tori, where's Tori? Tori, can you hear me? Tori, can you hear me? Tori, can you hear me? Oh, I don't think she could hear me. All right, anyone can answer this. What number can go into 12 and 15?
3.
Excuse me.
3.
3? Without
Yeah.
leaving
Yes, sir.
without leaving a remainder?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's divide 12 and 15 by 3. So this is going to be equal to 12 divided by 3 is what?
4.
4.
Very good.
4.
15 divided by 3 is what?
5.
5.
Established that
Good.
means the one thing no more.
Good.
I'm sure that is-
So
You still in this and the one thing.
the answer is 4/5. So we express it in simplest form. All right. Any questions on this?
Mr. Petit,
Uh-huh.
what if it's already in its simplest form?
All right. If it's already in the simplest form, then we don't have to put it in the simplest
alone?
form. We just say it again.
We just leave it alone, don't we?
Just leave it alone. Yeah. You can't do nothing. It's already in the simplest form, so you don't need to. We can't do nothing. You know, you're gonna divide it by 1. If you divide it by 1, it's still the same. All right. All right. So are we ready for the great exercise? Any questions? Amari, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Jaden, you understand?
Yes.
Russell?
Yes, sir.
Diana, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Tejanique, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Zion?
Yes, sir.
Ture, do you understand how to do this? And Asia, where's Asia? Asia, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You understand how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's begin. So I'm gonna give you an exercise to do on your own. And I'm gonna give you opportunity to try it out. All right, so for this one, this is gonna be grade exercise, which means that for grade exercises, whenever we are doing grade exercises, that means that you're gonna do it by yourself, and then you're gonna send me a picture of your work once you finish. Then we can go over it together as a class. All right. And does y'all understand that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
So for grade exercises, you do them by yourself first, and then we're gonna do them as a class together. All right, so I'm gonna give you all 12 of them. See if you understand how to do it. Once you are finished, please let me know and I'll tell you what to do afterwards. Once you are finished, please let me know and I'll tell you what to do afterwards. So, let's begin. Write this down. Number 1 is 14/20. Number 2 is 4/8. Number 3 is 9/12. Number 4 is 12/15. Number 8 is 8/18. Number 6 is 14/21. Number 7 is 12/16. Number 8 is 10/24. Number 9 is 15/35. Number 10 is 13/26. Number 11 is 11/55. Number 12 is 9/21. All right, please do that. Asia, where's Asia?
Right here.
Say your 8 timetables for me. You don't know none at all? You don't even know up to 2?
No, sir.
All right, say your 7 timetables.
7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, and 7 fours are 20, 7 fives are 35, and 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70, 7 elevens are 77, and 7 twelves are
84.
84.
You see, just like how you know your 7 timetables? Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What I need you to do is go in the back of your book right now. Go to the back of your book and learn your 8 timetables just like that. And then I'm gonna ask you to say it to me in 10 minutes. All right?
Yes, sir.
Without looking. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes, Ture.
Yes, sir. Yeah, hello?
I can hear you.
This is Suresh Kwame.
Rashana, what number you on?
Number 7.
Good. Jaden, what number are you on?
I'm on number 4, but I dropped my pen, so I just started.
Amari, what number are you on?
Number 4.
Um, Hedrick, what number are you on?
Number 3.
There's no such thing as 3. You mean 3.
3.
Good. Deanna, what number are you on?
Number 8.
Number 8. Okay, give me one moment, please. Zion, what number are you on?
Number 5.
Number 5. Okay. Amari, what number are you on?
Number 5.
Okay. Once you finish, please let me know that you're done, so we can go over them together.
I'm finished.
But I
Finish?
understand. She
Donna, you
under the
finished?
school.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What I need you to do, take a picture of your notes and this exercise, and send it to me via WhatsApp. My number is 4. Let me put my number in the chat. If you're using your mother's phone, you should see my number. My number is 426-8891.
She's currently using the phone, so I have to send it after she finishes. She's on the call.
You don't have a phone of your own?
Yeah, but my parents is taking it away in a week.
Oh, okay. Okay, no problem. This is what I want you to do. So you finish all, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me give you the second part then.
Today's what's up?
No, I mean,
Yeah, and I try to figure what's happening.
Deanna, what number are you on?
Number 10.
Number 10, okay. Good.
Miss Petite, I'm done.
You finished as well, Jaden?
Yes, sir.
Well, you know the routine. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir. I have to go grab it.
She was better.
It's petite.
Petit,
Go ahead.
send numbers 1 to 12 or do the F.
No, send
Do the
numbers 1 to
second part.
12. Send numbers 1 to 12 first.
Okay.
Yes, Tari, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Five times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is
Good. Now say your 5 timetables for me.
my 5 times 7. 1 times 5 is 1.
No,
One
that's not true.
times-
That's not true. 5 times 1 is 5.
Yeah, so 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 22. 55.
Mhm.
And 5 times 12 is 60.
Good. All right. Do you know your 4 timetables?
Yes, sir.
Say your 4 timetables. One moment before you say it. Deanna, you have a question?
I'm finished.
Did you send your picture of your work?
I'm going to send it right now. I just need to get my mom's phone.
Good. Rashano, in each case, you need to tell me the number that you divided by. So just like how I had it here, where I show you the number I divide by, in each case, please show me what number you divide by.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, go ahead, Tari. What's the 4 timetables? Tari,
Sir,
what's your 4 timetables?
my 4 times table is.
Don't look at the book. Don't look at the book. Don't look at the book. I'm not a dummy. In fact, close the book. Close the book. Close the book.
With the timetables in it.
I don't trust you. I'm sorry. Close your eyes. I need to see your eyes closed on the camera. I can't see your eyes closed on the camera. Thank you. Say your 4 timetables, please.
My 4 times tables is 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 10.
No, it's 8. Okay, you don't know your 4 timetables. So what I need you to do is, get a book that has the 4 timetables and memorize them. I will check you in 10 minutes.
So,
Good. Jaden, did you send me your work?
7.
Yes,
No,
sir.
not you, Tari. Tari, I'll call you. I'll call you back in 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Jaden, do you see the second part?
Mr. Batit, I sent my work.
Okay, good. But you need to do the second part.
You
And
sent it in the chat?
I did. What's her name? Deanna,
Yes, sir.
you need to write down this notes that's on the screen.
I'm going to screenshot it now.
It's already in the chat. The word is not okay. Don't play with me. It's not okay.
Yes, sir.
Zion, what number are you on?
Number 9.
Number 9. Okay. Jaden,
Yes, sir.
Why are you always looking for a shortcut? Why tell you about that? If you look at my example, I showed the division at the top and at the bottom. What's wrong with you?
Oh, my bad.
No, you try and look for shortcuts. Stop giving me shortcuts, please. Do the whole thing properly.
Yes, sir.
Just like Russell. Do the thing properly. Stop looking for shortcuts. Amari, are you finished with your work? Tedranik, one moment. Tedranik,
Yes, sir.
can you for one class focus on your work and start looking all around the place? Can you do that for
Yes,
one
sir.
class?
Yes, sir.
That's why you can never finish your work. Stop looking all around. What number you on?
Number 9.
Well, finish your work, man. Amari, what number you on?
I'm on number 7.
7, okay.
I'm done fixing.
Take a picture of it and send it again. Asia Ingram,
Yes, sir.
is your book open? With the timetables?
No, sir.
All right, say 8 timetables to me.
8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 8 elevens are 88. 8 twelves are 96.
You said that without looking at the book?
Yes, sir.
I don't believe you. I don't. What I need you to do is close the book. Close the book. Asia, close the book. And close your eyes. And say
Yes,
your
sir.
timetables.
8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are
What is 8 threes? 24. Continue.
8 threes are 24. 8 fours. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are
40.
40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are
You need to learn them again, Asia. Learn them until you know it. You understand me, Asia?
yes, sir.
Oshana, what number you on?
Number 18.
Are you doing it the way I told you to do it?
Yes, sir.
How about you, Jaden? Jaden, what number are you on?
14.
Amari, what number are you on?
I'm on number 11, but I can't see it.
So when you're gonna tell me that? Amari, stop it, man. This is the first day of the year. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Zion, what number are you on?
Number 11.
Pedronic, what number are you on?
Number 12.
And Rashana, you see your hand is raised. What's the problem?
I was saying I was finished.
Okay, well, when you finish, you know what to do. Send a picture of your work. Jaden, what number are you on?
I am on number 16.
What?
I'm on number 16.
Okay,
Excuse
good,
me, sir. I'm going to send it to you right now.
good. Tedronic and well, Tedronic and Amari, you're taking too long, man. Quickly send in your work.
I asked my grandma for my phone, for a phone.
Please do not raise your voice at me. Keep your voice the same way. You understand me, Tedronic?
Yes, sir.
Don't raise your voice at me. I said send the work, and currently the work is not sent to my phone. That's what I'm saying.
I'm done, but I can't send it right now because my mom isn't here.
All right. When your mother comes home, make sure you send in the work. You understand me, Amari?
Yes, sir.
How about you, Tedronic? Where's the notes? Hello, Tedronic, where's the notes? Not Tedronic, sorry. Deanna.
Yes, sir.
Where's the notes? What's taking that so long?
I'm almost done. I'm on the last sentence.
All right. And Rashano, where's the work?
I got tell my mom to send it. She just sent it.
All right, thank you.
Miss Betty, I sent in my work.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
In the chat.
Someone was saying something. I didn't hear you if you was talking to me.
Miss
Excuse me, sir. I sent it.
Can you send
Send what?
The work.
What? Send what work? You say you sent it, or you asking me to send it? Which one?
I sent it.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I noticed that. Thank you. All right, let's go over the answers. Is everyone finished?
Yes, sir. I just
So-
finished.
All right, good.
And I just sent it.
All right, good. Any persons think they got all right? Think you get 12 out of 12?
Me.
Me.
All right.
Confident. I'm confident myself.
You confident? Really? Okay. Well, let's go over it then, see. So for these ones, if you get it right, please put a tick. If you got it right, please put a tick. If you got it wrong, then you know what to do. Correct it. Put an X and then put the correct one. 14 and 20. What number can go into 14 and 20 without leaving a remainder? What number can go into
Seven.
14 and
Two.
2? Very good. 7 can't go into 20. 7 could go into 14, but 7 can't go into 20. 14 divided by 2 is what?
7.
And 20
7.
divided by 2 is
10?
10.
10.
Good. Number 2, what number can go into 4 and 8?
4.
4.
4.
4.
4 divided by 4 is
1.
1, and
1.
8 divided by 4 is
2.
2.
2. How many persons got number 1 and number 2 right?
Me.
I got it right.
Very good.
Deanna got it right.
Very good, Deanna. 9 and 12, what numbers can go into both 9 and 12?
3.
3.
3.
12 and, oh yeah, 3. 9 divided by 3 is what?
3.
3.
12 divided by 3 is
4.
4.
4. What number can go into 12 and 15? We did this one for an example.
12 and 4.
4.
No.
3. 3.
3.
3. 3.
3.
That's my bad. I looked at my answer.
12 divided by 3 is what?
4.
4.
4.
And 15 divided by 3 is
5.
5. 8 and 18.
Okay?
What number can go into 8 and 18?
2.
You sure it's not 8? You sure it's not 8?
No, sir. It's
2.
not 8.
It can't go into 18.
Yeah, 8
It
can't
can't
go.
go into 18.
Very good.
I
8
never
can't go.
Without
remember.
leaving.
Let's say the teacher tried to trick us.
So 8 divided by 2 is what?
4.
4.
All over. 18 divided by 2 is?
9.
9.
Very good. 14 and 21. This one is easy. That's going to be
14
what?
and 7.
7. Good.
7.
And 21 divided by 7 is what?
3.
3. And 14 divided by 7 is what?
2.
2. How many persons got all 6 right so far? Let me know.
Me.
Me.
Good.
Right.
If you got it
Yay.
right, put a tick. If you got it wrong, put an X.
So far, so good.
Zion, where's Zion? Zion, I'm not hearing you. Are you getting these right?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Let me hear you for number 7. What you got for number 7, Zion?
I got 8 and 4.
8 and 4. Okay, what on top?
8.
Really?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand. What number you use to divide them?
I used 8.
What number you use to divide them?
8, 4.
I don't understand. What number you use to divide them?
8, 4.
Let me check your work. Let me see what you're doing. Two, 4. You're doing this all wrong, Zion. Zion, where's Zion? Are you there?
Yeah.
Are you here?
Yes, sir.
You have to use the same number used at the top is the same number you have to use at the bottom. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Let me say this again. The same number used on the top is the same number you must use at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
So you can't use 8 on the bottom and then you have to use the same number.
Yes, sir.
Most of these are wrong. That means you didn't understand what you're doing. So write down the correction, Zion. Because you clearly don't understand what you're doing. 12 divided by, what number we use for 12? We're using what?
4.
4, we could use 4, yeah. 12 divided by 4 is what?
3.
3. 16 divided by 4 is what?
4.
4.
4, good.
Yay.
What number we could use for 10 and 40 and 24?
2.
2.
2, very good. Wait, 2? 2 is the highest? Yeah, 2 is the highest.
Yes, sir.
10 divided by 2 is what?
10
5.
divided by 2 is 5.
24 divided by 2 is
12.
12. Good. Then we have 15 and 35. What number can go into both 15 and 35?
5.
5, that's correct. 15 divided by 5 is what?
3.
3.
3.
35 divided by 5 is
7.
7.
7.
How about 13 and 26? This one is interesting. Which I'll use for this one?
13. I use 13.
13.
13, very good.
I got 1 over 3.
You got one wrong?
No, I got 1 over 3.
Or 1 over 3? 1 over 3? That's not right. It's not 1 over 3. 13 divided by 13 is what?
13 divided by 13 is 1.
1.
And then 26 divided by 13 is what?
2.
2. It's 1 over 2. Not 1 over 3. Amari, are you getting these right? Where's Amari?
Yes, sir.
All right, number 11. What do we have for number 11?
11.
1 over
number
5. 1 over 5.
Divided by 11.
Very good. 11 divided by 11.
Ready?
11 divided by 11 is what?
11 divided by 11 is 1.
1.
Good.
Okay.
And then 55 divided by 11 is what?
Ready?
5.
5. Good.
You have an interruption. 1, 2,
Okay, and then for this one, we use for this one?
3.
3.
3.
Interrupt.
And then
7.
9 divided by 3 is what?
9 divided by 3 is 3.
And 21 divided by 3 is what?
7.
7.
All right, anyone got 12 out of 12?
Me.
All right. Who all got 12 out of 12?
Jaden Seymour.
Jaden. Who else? Diana. Who else?
Shano.
Roshano. Amari. Tedronique, what you got?
11 out of 12.
11 out of 12. Okay. Anyone else got 11 out of 12? Okay, good. All right. If you have already sent in your work, I need everyone. Okay. Diana, you can go since you already sent your work. Roshano, you can go. See you tomorrow. Amari, you can go. See you tomorrow. Tedronique, you can go. See you tomorrow. The rest of you stay.
We're not going to mark.
No, we're marking the other ones.
Aww.
Jaden, I have homework for you to do. So let me end this recording. Should I? No, I can leave it. Zion, where's Zion?
Yeah.
You need to write this down because you clearly didn't understand what she was doing. So write this down for me, please. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Where's Jaden?
I'm right here.
Your mother wants me to help you with start working on BJC stuff. Because you're
Yes, sir.
in grade 7, right?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to, I'm gonna send this link to your phone.
I see it.
But click on that link. That link should carry you to a website.
This right here?
Yes. When you go on the website, you can see, I need you to go on BJC Math. Do you see that on the side?
On the side.
Like you could see like 3 dots or three for horizontal bars.
Yeah, I see that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. BJC math.
Yes, BJC Math. You're gonna see week 1. You see week 1?
I see it.
Good. I need you to follow the instructions for week 1. There are 5 videos, right? That I need you to watch, and then I need you to send me the working on them. They're not long, so I think you can do all of them tonight. Do you have homework from school?
Yes, sir.
You have homework from school?
Uh-huh.
Who's uh-huh?
Sorry, yes, sir.
All right. How much homework you have from school?
Only 2 pieces.
What you have to do?
I have to do social studies and math.
Like what you have to do with them? Like the what?
My social studies teacher wanted me to go over some questions that I got wrong,
Okay.
and my math teacher, he just wanted me to
Okay. Do your homework, and then once you finish your homework, I need you to watch these 5 videos. No, just follow the instructions. I need you to do all of week 1. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
The instructions are clear. Just watch the video, answer the quiz, because there's a quiz on it. You'll see everything in the working, follow the steps. I need you to do all 5 of the videos. All right?
Yes, sir.
Good. If you have any questions, let me know. No, I mean, let me know when you are going through it, if you have any questions.
Yes, sir.
But
I believe.
I need this before you go to sleep tonight.
Yes, sir.
Good. Asia, where's Asia?
Right here.
I need you to close the book. Is the book
Yes.
closed?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I need you to say your 8 timetables, please.
8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are
24.
24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40.
Yes.
8 sixes. 8 sixes are
What are 8 sixes?
48.
Yes.
8 sevens. 8 sevens are 56.
Okay.
8 eighths are 64. 8 nines. 8 nines are
excuse me, I finished writing it over.
All right. Zion, I
8
need you
nines
to
are
I need you to take a picture of it and send it to me. And then you can go.
8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. 8 elevens are 88. And 8 twelves are 96.
Asia, what grade are you in? You're in grade 5, right?
Yes, sir.
You should know all your timetables. So what I need you to do tonight is learn your 8 and 9 timetables. What did I say?
Learn my 8 and 9 times tables.
You need to learn that. And then I'll test you on them tomorrow. Understand me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Teray, where's Teray? All right, you can go, Asia.
So you want me to put in the answers, right? Excuse me, sir, you're muted.
Zion,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
answer them and then you can go.
Okay.
It's not okay.